Packing lunches in advance, whether you work at home or elsewhere, is a great way to save time and money. Each week I spend a little time on a Sunday afternoon prepping lunches for the coming 4 days. I'm going to show you what a typical prep session looks like so you can see how easy it is. First, I cook a pan of sauteed chicken and a pot of quinoa. I bake some rice and cook some spaghetti squash. Then I roast some vegetables. I mix up a big batch of salad dressing. I open and rinse a can of beans. Once I have all my ingredients and lunch boxes ready, I can assemble my meals. You can mix and match how you assemble your lunches depending on what you have on hand and what sounds good to you that week.
This week, I'm going to create 4 different lunches, starting with romaine, quinoa, spaghetti squash, and rice. Next, I will add some sauteed chicken to a few, feta cheese to a couple, and then add garbanzo beans to some others. Then I will add some of the roasted vegetables to the lunches that will get reheated, and cucumber slices, chopped bell pepper, and scallions to the salads.
Once you've assembled your meals, stash them in the refrigerator until you're ready to eat them, up to 4 days. It's so easy to make a bunch of lunches, you'll wonder why you haven't done it sooner.